Hello friends, welcome to KRK Law and Knowledge channel. Friends, today we will see Post of District Judge Judicial Preliminary Exam question paper of year 2019 with answers. Friends, watch our complete video, like it, share it, comment on it. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. So friends, we will see date of 21st July 2019 question paper. Question number 1. X and Y agree to commit theft in Z's house, but no theft is actually committed. They are guilty of dash. Answer is option number D. Criminal conspiracy. Question number 2. In the following 4 questions given below, there are 2 statements labeled as assertion A and reason R. In the context of the 2 statements, which of the following is correct? Assertion A. Section 471 Indian Penal Code provides punishment for using as genuine a forged document. Reason R. The act must be both dishonest and fraudulent. Answer is option number C. A is true but R is false. Question number 3. Assertion A. The prosecutrix is on par with an accomplice. Reason R. Corroboration to the prosecutrix evidence is no sign qua non in rape cases. Answer is option number D. A is false but R is true. Question number 4. Assertion A. If the court is satisfied that the dying declaration is true and voluntary, it can base conviction on it. Reason R. Where dying declaration is suspicious, it should not be acted upon without corroborative evidence. Answer is option number A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Question number 5. Assertion A. An adjudication not fulfilling the requisites of section 2 subsection 2 of Code of Civil Procedure cannot be said to be a decree. Reason R. By legal fiction, certain orders and determinations are deemed to be decrees under the code. Answer is option number A. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Question number 6. A is accused of receiving stolen goods, knowing them to be stolen. It is proved that he was in possession of a particular stolen article in view of the provisions of the Indian Evidence Act. The fact that at the same time he was in possession of many other stolen articles is relevant as it tends to show his dash. Answer is option number A. Knowledge that each and all the articles of which he was in possession to be stolen. Question number 7. A plaint can be returned for presentation before proper court. Dash. Answer is option number D. At any stage of the suit. Question number 8. A promises B to drop a prosecution which he has instituted against B for robbery, and B promises to restore the value of things taken. Answer is option number B. Agreement is void. Question number 9. A prosecution witness was given up by the prosecution. The defense cited him as a witness. During the cross-examination, the prosecutor tried to use his former statement recorded under section 161 Code of Criminal Procedure to contradict him. The defense raised serious objection decide from the following. Answer is option number B. Prosecution cannot use such statement of the witness recorded under section 161 Code of Criminal Procedure to contradict him. Question number 10. who may apply for rectification of instrument. Answer is option number D, all of the above. Means option number A, other party or his representative in interest may institute a suit to have the instrument rectified. Number B, the plaintiff in any suit in which any right arising under the instrument is an issue claim in his pleading that the instrument be rectified. Number C, a defendant in any suit in which any right arising under the instrument is in issue in addition to any other defense open to him. Question number 11. Which of the following is incorrect? With reference to the provision of the Juvenile Justice, Care and Protection of Children Act 2015. Answer is option number C. Heinous offence include the offences for which minimum punishment under the Indian Penal Code or any other law for the time being in force is imprisonment for 10 years or more. Question number 12. Who is a minor under section 4A of Hindu Minority and Guardianship Act 1956? Answer is option number A. One who has not completed the age of 18 years. Question number 13. With reference to the Indian Contract Act, novation means dash. Answer is option number D. Substitution of new contract in place of old contract. Question number 14. In which of the following cases did the Supreme Court direct the Law Commission to review the law on rape? Answer is option number B. Sakshi versus Union of India. Question number 15. Article 39A of the Constitution of India pertains to dash. Answer is option number C. Equal justice and free legal aid. Question number 16. Which of the following is incorrect? A person other than a police officer or an officer of an investigating agency or other law enforcement authority can make request for previous sanction for taking cognizance by the court of any offences punishable under section 7, 11, 13 and 15 of the Prevention of Corruption of Act 1988 unless. Answer is option number D, none of the above. Question number 17. Which of the following is incorrect? As per the Scheduled Caste and the Scheduled Tribes Prevention of Atrocities Act 1989. Answer is option number D, none of the above. Question number 18. After the commencement of the Maharashtra Rent Control Act 1999, a landlord shall be entitled to increase of dash percent per annum in the rent of the premises let out for residence or business. Answer is option number A, 4%. Question number 19. Under Hanapi law of inheritance, who among the following is entitled to get the first prescribed share of the estate of the deceased property after payment of his funeral expenses, debts and legacies? Answer is option number A, sharers. Question number 20. Where a right of way has been peaceably and openly enjoyed over the government property by any person claiming title thereto as an easement and as a right without interruption and for dash years, the right to such access shall be absolute. Answer is option number C, 30 years. Question number 21. The principle of criminal liability actus non facit reum nisi vincit rea means. Answer is option number A. The act alone does not amount to guilt unless accompanied by a guilty mind. Question number 22. On the day of incident, myself along with B and C assaulted X and Y with swords. We ran away from the spot of incident with weapons. I have hidden swords under the bridge on National Highway near Nashik. I will show you the place. We did all this at the investigation object. From the above passage, which of the following is admissible under section 27 of the Indian Evidence Act? Answer is option number C. I have hidden swords under the bridge on National Highway near Nasik. I will show you the place. Question number 23. Specified value in relation to a commercial dispute under the Commercial Courts Act 2015 shall not be less than dash rupees. Answer is option number A, 3 lakh. Question number 24. A applies to a banker for a loan at a time when there is a stringency in money market. The banker declines to make the loan except at an unusually high rate of interest. A accepts the loan on these terms. The contract between A and B was dash. Answer is option number D, valid as the transaction is in the ordinary course of business and not induced by undue influence. Question number 25. Any offense which includes cheating may, if the deception is practiced by means of letters or telecommunication message, by inquired into or tried by any court within whose local jurisdiction dash. Answer is option number C, either A or B, means option A, such letters or message were sent. Option B, such letter or message were received. Question number 26. In the share of Maharashtra, the application for registration of partnership form, a statement in the prescribed form has to be sent to the registrar within dash. Answer is option number B, a period of 1 year of its constitution. Question number 27. X and Y have A as their mother, but their fathers are different. Their relationship is dash. Answer is option number C, uterine blood. Question number 28. Right of way annexed to A's house were B's land. This is a dash easement. Answer is option number D, discontinuous easement. Question number 29. Which of the following case establish the natural guardian status to mother of minor children? Answer is option number C, Geeta Hariharan's case. Question number 30. If the substance of a statute is in reality beyond the competence of the legislature, the will that covers it will not save it. It is called dash. Answer is option number C, doctrine of pith and substance. Question number 31. Which of the following is incorrect? Answer is option number C, the Prevention of Corruption Act 1988 did not provide for punishment for abatement of any offence punishable under this act. Question number 32. With reference to the Maharashtra Rent Control Act 1999, which of the following is incorrect? Answer is option number C, second appeal shall lie to High Court against any decision in appeal under section 34(1) of the Maharashtra Rent Control Act 1999. Question number 33. What is the share of single daughter when there is no sun under Hanapi law? Answer is option number B, half. Question number 34. Period of limitation for any suit by any local authority for possession of any public road from which it has been dispossessed is dash. Answer is option number D, 30 years. Question number 35. The accused, a manager of shelter home, deliberately stored two inmates of shelter home by denying them food regularly and confining them in a room of the shelter home here dash. Answer is option number B. The accused has committed offence punishable under IPC. Question number 36. If a confession as is referred to in section 24 of the Evidence Act is made after the impression caused by any inducement, threat or promise has in the opinion of the court been fully removed, then dash. Answer is option number A, it is relevant. Question number 37. Under order 15A of the Code of Civil Procedure, in the case management hearing of a commercial dispute under the Commercial Court Act 2015, the court shall not have power to dash. Answer is option number D, none of the above. Question number 38. Abhay, a grandson, owes rupees 10 lakh to his grandfather B, but this debt has become barred by the Limitation Act. Abhay signs an unregistered written promise to pay rupees 5 lakh on account of the debt. Which of the following is correct? Answer is option number D. This is an impossible contract as Abhay has given written promise to pay part of debt. Question number 39. When an offence is committed outside India by a citizen of India, whether on the high seas or elsewhere, he can be tried at dash. Answer is option number C, any place within India at which he may be found. Question number 40. Who can adopt by virtue of the provisions of the Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act? Answer is option number A, male and female. Hindu can adopt a son or daughter. Question number 41. An easement is suspended when dash. Answer is option number D, either A or B, means option number A. The dominant owner becomes entitled to possession of the servant heritage for a limited interest therein. Number B. When the servant owner becomes entitled to possession of the dominant heritage for a limited interest therein. Question number 42. Constitutional validity to protective discrimination is provided under Article dash of the Constitution of India. Answer is option number A, 16(4). Question number 43. The Indian Penal Code 1860 is not applicable to dash. Answer is option number D, none of the above. Question number 44. The admissibility of a dying declaration is based on the maxim dash. Answer is option number C, nemo moriturus presumptor mentire. Question number 45. In view of provision of Order 41, Rule 16 and Rule 17 of the Code of Civil Procedure, which of the following is incorrect? Answer is option number C. The provision of Order 41, Rule 17, CPC shall be construed as empowering the court to dismiss the appeal on the merits. Question number 46. X owed Y a number of lawful debts, among which there was a promissory note for rupees 10,000 which had become barred by limitation on 1st June. On 2nd June, X sent Y a sum of rupees 5,000 without any instruction as to its appropriation. There was no debt due from X, and that amount, rupees 5,000, can Y appropriate the payment of rupees 5,000 against the promissory note for rupees 10,000 referred above. Answer is option number A, yes. Question number 47. Which of the following is incorrect? Answer is option number D, none of the above. Question number 48. Prior to amendment of 2005 to the Hindu Succession Act, a common male ancestor of a joint family and his sons, grandsons and great-grandsons would constitute a dash. Answer is option number B, co-personary. Question number 49. Judicial review means dash. Answer is option number A, the power of the courts to examine the constitutionality of legislative and executive act. Question number 50. A person was prosecuted under section 292 of the Indian Penal Code for selling an obscene book. The accused pleaded that although he sold the book, he had no knowledge of the contents of the book and hence did not have the necessary mens rea. In this case, dash. Answer is option number B. Accused is guilty of offense. Friends, remaining part of paper we will see in next video. Thank you.